what is called Filipino dish, Afritada, potato, red bell pepper, and a meat, pork meat, pure pork meat. It cooks for about 30 minutes today. And this is it's sauteed. It is sauteed. We are in the dirty kitchen here. It's an old range already for so many years of use. No, La Germany, the first old gas range. So guys, hope you will subscribe. Let's eat healthy and have a beautiful this 2024, a prosperous new year. Eat a healthy food. Always keep safe and have a good day. I miss cooking today. Okay, take care. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel, and for those watching my videos, coming back to my videos, watching my videos, thank you so much, and hope you subscribe. Love you all. Let's eat. This is our lunch.